be able to see me properly. It's around midnight and I've just arrived in my little Edwardian hut for the night. I'll give you a proper tour in the morning, but I'm just having a glass of wine. I've just driven nearly 3 hours to get here. The roads weren't great, lots of fog, so yeah, not great. But yeah, it's really cozy. I was gutted I couldn't have a bath. There's a bath outside, they filled it with water, but it takes an hour and a half to heat up, so I'm going to get up super early in the morning and have a bath out there. But the weather's not great. The weather is really bad. It's quite rainy, so we'll see. But yeah, it's really nice. Really, really nice here. Very unique and different. I'll show you around tomorrow.
Middle of the road, it's just a feeling of a distant melody unknown.
It smells amazing. It's definitely working. Hopefully I can keep it going. I've got to top it up with logs in a little while, and then when the water gets warm enough, I then close this lid then, so that so that I don't burn. I can properly introduce you to Dora, the Dutch barn behind me, where I slept last night. It is about 6:45 in the morning. I wanted to get up early to set up the bath outside. So the water is currently heating. This is my little area. I'll do a bit of a tour for you. I went to Shrewsbury yesterday to meet my cousin from Australia, and I wanted somewhere to stay on the way home. Shrewsbury is about 4.5 hour drive. There's no motorway, no dual carriageway, so it takes a long while to get there. Mid Wales is awful. It'd be brilliant if they had like a motorway. But anyway, besides that, I wanted somewhere to stay late at night. I didn't fancy driving all the way home, and I found this place on booking.com because I'm Genius level 3. I managed to get a good deal. I think this cost, is it £88 for the night? Check-in is self-service. They left a key in Dora for me. It is so nice in here. There's everything that you can think of. Lots of pans. We've got a grill here as well. I'm going to be making some toast afterwards. Well, I've got some bagels, so hopefully I'll be able to work out what to do. Can't be that hard. I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee as well. They have left some stuff for me, but I have bought one of these Nescafe sachets just in case. But yeah, fridge there. Got a microwave. It was really nice sitting down there. You can still see my bottom imprint. It was really nice sitting down there last night with a glass of wine at midnight, just looking outside. Couldn't really see anything, but it was really nice. Can you see these lights? Obviously they're flashing on video, but they don't flash in real life, but they were on. It was just really, really nice and cozy. They've given like an information booklet here as well about how to use like the bath outside. There's a map, look. You can go on a walk, a welly walk. Pizza and ping pong shed, where you pay an extra £20 to be able to use it. I think that might be over here then. There is a shed there. Oh, there is a shed there. I wonder. I can't read it. There is a sign out there. I will have a look. But this is the toilet and shower block. Lucky for me, it's right outside where I'm staying. But as well as Dora, the hut, they've got houses that you can stay in. Plus, they've got two. What do they call them? What do they call them? They've got two hobbit homes as well. I haven't seen those. I don't know where they are. I don't know. They're obviously around here somewhere. Ooh, oh, there's the shower. Okay, I was wondering where the shower was. I didn't want to walk around here at night. Although there was lights on, it wasn't lit up really, really well. Hello, chickies. Oh, I could hear sheep here last night. Reception is over there as well. And I think that's one of the houses next to it where you can stay. But isn't it beautiful? I'm staying in an area in mid Wales called Lampeter. I'm not too far from home. I live in Pembrokeshire. It will be about an hour and a half drive, that's all. So I could have kept going last night. I was just so tired and I knew I would be. Okay, let's see how this is doing. Oh, I don't want to like burn myself. Oh, that's going well. I'll put some more logs on there. Obviously, I'm not going to notice any difference in the water temperature yet. No, it's not freezing though. It would have been so nice if it was dry last night. I would have sat out here and did a little bit of a fire, but never mind. Okay, let's show you inside Dora then. Plenty of logs. Lots and lots of logs dotted around as well, and inside Dora. But how gorgeous. It is so, so cute. This is where I slept, obviously, where you can tell. I haven't made my bed this morning. Really, really comfy bed. Really comfy. Really nice soft sheets. Yeah, I really had a really nice sleep. We've got heating there, you've got more wood. There's a little fire. But I was completely fine in here. Some glasses. This little area is cute, isn't it? A little seating area. But yeah, it's just so cute. So, so cute. And then do these open up? Yeah, they would do, wouldn't they? They would open up. Just a little bedroom. Very, very cozy.
I minded my own business till the day you took me home. You came into my life like a sweet embrace, swept me off my feet and made me whole again.
There is one problem being here. There's a family that has just arrived, and I'm sure if they're staying in the little turf houses that this is the only shower block available for them to use. It just makes me feel a little bit exposed. Can you imagine if they all wanted to go to the toilet and I'm just sat in the bath there? Or if I wanted to share a cozy bath with my partner as well, you know, the two of us sat in the bath and then a big family just walks past. It would be better if that was maybe moved behind this shed. Let's see how it's doing. Okay, it's not cold, but it's not warm either. Okay, I just want to have a little look. Okay, that's not too bad. Yeah, I'm not used to setting up fires, so I'm not sure if I should put more in. I want it to raw, but I don't think it's rawed yet. Maybe I'll try and find some smaller logs. So there's some in there, but they're quite big. There's another basket over here as well. Let's see if I can find some smaller ones. Yeah, that'll do.
I wanna see your face. Never will I be the same again. Well, I thought I knew what life was all about. That song had already been sung. I was going on, still minding my own business. Never knew that life had just begun. You came into my life like a sweet embrace, swept me off my feet and made me whole again. You
I just noticed they've left me a postcard, which is really sweet. It said, "Dear Claire, thank you for booking your stay with us. We hope you enjoy your holiday in our Edwardian Caravan, Dora," from Becky. Oh, that's so lovely. And look, it did go out. I'm not sure if I filmed, but I was on the phone to my husband and I was showing him what I was doing. And yeah, it looked like it was going out, but I can now see steam coming up from the bath itself. You see that it's sort of bubbling. So it's definitely warming up. So hopefully in half an hour it'd be fine. And then I've got an hour left before I have to check out. I've been lighting it since 7:15. I'm going in, tied my hair up, and the family, I think they've gone a bit further away now, so I don't feel as embarrassed. I can still hear them though.
You came into my life like a sweet embrace, swept me off my feet and made me whole again. You came in my life.
Just about to leave now. I've left some footprints on the floor. Look. Hopefully they'll dry okay. So it's just a couple of minutes to 10 o'clock. Got all my bags ready and ready to go. So I should be home in about an hour and a half, 2 hours, something like that. I might stop off for a coffee somewhere. I really enjoyed staying in this unique barn. Definitely will come back.
Same again. Never will it be the same again.